Want to invest but don't know where to begin? Get started with Forex trading with Exness, where all you need is made easy and convenient. Simply visit our website, exness.com. Click on Open an Account and select an account type to begin. Not sure if this is the thing for you? Go with a trial account first and switch to real trading whenever you are ready. The entire registration process should take you less than a minute. And should you have any questions, you can always call our client support or get answers instantly via the self-help section at the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you have registered, you can deposit any amount that you are comfortable with. Download the trading platform MetaTrader 4 and start trading. Plus, make full use of the free tools we offer to our clients. From free daily analytics and plugins from Trading Central to web TV and webinars hosted by expert traders, Exness offers you not just a platform to start investing, but also a suite of tools and knowledge that help you in every way. So go on and build your investment portfolio. Enter the world of Forex with Exness today.